Introducing the Chewy upgraded GemiBook X Pro, your ultimate powerhouse on the go. Are you ready to experience the future of computing? Look no further than the Chewy GemiBook X Pro, a masterpiece of innovation and performance. Let's dive into the world of its cutting-edge features. Unleash the power of 12th Gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor. This laptop is a beast when it comes to performance. With a clock speed of up to 3.4 GHz and quad-core 4 threads, it's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. And yes, it's pre-installed with Windows 11 for the ultimate experience. Lightning-fast performance with 8GB LPDDR5 and 256GB SSD. Say goodbye to lag and hello to speed. The 8GB LPDDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and stunning visuals. The 256GB SSD provides ample storage for all your files, apps, and media. And guess what? You can expand it up to a whopping 1TB with an M.2 SSD. Immersive visuals on a 14.1-inch FHD IPS display. Get ready to be blown away by the stunning 14.1-inch IPS FHD screen. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 and an aspect ratio of 16:9, every image comes to life with vibrant colors and exceptional clarity. And thanks to the 38Wh high-performance battery, you can enjoy up to 8 hours of productivity and entertainment without interruption. Sleek, lightweight design for ultimate portability. Weighing in at just around 3.2 pounds and with a thickness of only 0.7 inches, the Chewy GemiBook X Pro is the perfect companion for your on-the-go lifestyle. Its durable yet lightweight design ensures you can take your productivity and entertainment anywhere you want. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 and BT 5.2. Seamlessly connect, work, and play with Wi-Fi 6, which is 3 times faster than AC 5G Wi-Fi. And with Bluetooth 5.2, you can enjoy stable and lightning-fast connections to your devices. It's perfect for online courses, video calls, and even gaming. Chewy GemiBook X Pro, elevate your computing experience today. There you have it, the Chewy GemiBook X Pro, a true powerhouse in the world of laptops. Whether you're a professional, a student, or simply seeking a device that offers both style and performance, this laptop is designed to exceed your expectations. Ready to take your computing to the next level? Don't miss out on the future. Grab your Chewy GemiBook X Pro now and experience the power of innovation in your hands. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and exciting, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and reviews. Stay connected, stay ahead.